In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Grayscale Mode on your mobile device. Here I will show you methods to do that. Grayscale Mode means after you on that only you can see is black and white. So let's dive into the video. Now I will show you first method. To do that, you need to open your settings. Now you need to enable the developer options. To do that, you need to scroll down on the settings and go to About Phone. Now you need to find build number in your phone. Now click 7 times on it. That way you can enable developer options. Most of the time it will appear here, but in this case it is in the system settings. Advanced. Now go to developer options. Here you need to scroll down until you find simulate color space. Now you can see it is disabled. Now open in and set it to monogamy. Here I accidentally turned off developer options. After you did this, make sure to don't turn off developer options. Now black and white mode is enabled, but it won't show in the screen record.